Which is a charity which supports more than 8,000 people experiencing homelessness or rough sleeping in Wales every year. And the CEO, Sian Aldridge, is here with me now. Sian, welcome. What do you make of these latest statistics?
Yeah, it's worrying. We're seeing the rough sleeper figures rise slightly. And although the temporary accommodation figures are coming down, they're still too high. There's still over 10,000 people needing accommodation. So it just shows the scale of the challenge that we need to face, really, here in Wales. It's fabulous that Andy Burnham has highlighted that in his first speech. But of course, for Wales, housing and homelessness has devolved. So it's what can we do here in Wales to work toward ending rough sleeping and ending homelessness.
Now, you or the Wallich are calling for actions. What would you like the Welsh Government to do?
Well, I think first and foremost is build homes. And we need to do that at scale and at pace. So they have committed 20,000 social homes over the next 4 years, and that's a start, but we need to see those homes coming through. We won't solve homelessness without homes for people to live in. But more than that, we need to see a refreshed action plan. So the last Welsh Government devised an action plan to end homelessness that was collaborated on right across the sector, and it had timelines and actions to aim for. So we'd like the new Welsh Government to refresh that and to put homelessness in the priorities and put it at the top of the agenda. And then also we've got the new Homelessness and Social Housing Allocation Act that came into force. It's fantastic. It's got a real focus on prevention, but we need to see effective implementation of that. And of course, we need funding for homelessness support. We cannot end homelessness without the support that the Wallich and our staff provide to people. Is fundamental. The home is the foundation, but of course we need the support to help people to sustain and maintain that home and their accommodation.
And in the short term, you have rough sleeping outreach teams.
We do.
What kind of work do they do?
So they go out every morning to work with people who are sleeping rough. And that's meeting their basic needs, so that's providing food and clothes. But it's really about building relationships. So people who are homeless have suffered extensive trauma throughout their lives, and homelessness is traumatic. So it's about building the relationships. So here in Wales, we are good at that, but we need to do more assertive outreach, meet people where they are, build those relationships that will really help then people to engage in services and hopefully get accommodation and a home to live in.
And very briefly to finish, we heard about Aled from Bridgend in the report. Now, he is doing well now.
He is, yeah, he's absolutely fantastic. So Aled does so much with us and for us. So he's part of our lived experience shadow board. So he really helps with the governance of the charity. And of course, sharing his story is so helpful. So yeah, he's doing extremely well and we're really proud of him.
OK, Sian, thank you so much for coming in. Sian Aldridge there from the Wallich. Thank you.